Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Update's the right word, but I think confirmation would probably be more of an accurate term, because the main point of confirmation, especially after today's price movement, is that right up around this $2.30 mark is indeed a level of resistance. This area knocked down the price on Friday, more so early Friday morning, and then you fast forward to today in late afternoon, and the price, once again, just could not stabilize up around that area and ultimately did get pushed back downwards. The good news is the price is still relatively close to that area, so it's not unreasonable to think at all that the price could level out and then give it another attack. But the point here that I'm trying to drive home is that the chart forecasted that right around that $2.30 mark would be an area of resistance, and then late afternoon today on Monday definitely got confirmation that that area is indeed a level of resistance. So not saying it can't be broken or anything like that, just that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight up above that level. So definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be continuing to watch that $2.30 mark to see if the price can actually fight up above there. From the support side of things, nothing new here to report at all. Still have this 215 mark, which is represented by the green line right there. And then for more so the overarching trend point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher as the week plays out. And like I've said in the past and will continue to say, assuming you care about the overarching point of view, then, and as far as, kind of just this overall movement right there, as long as the price remains above the 50-period moving average, again, that purple line, then the price is in full control. So, there can be pullbacks, there can be stuff like that. There's nothing wrong with pullbacks. No price can go straight up. But like I said, as long as the price remains in the overall healthy uptrend, again, being defined as staying above that 50-period moving average, then that is the name of the game. So 230, public enemy number one going forward. Let's see if the price can stay above it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.